Hey guys, so I'm warning you ahead. Oh god, it's already turning bad. I was trying to warn you. So this is gonna be a thing about fireworks because I've blown up stuff. I'm doing some stuff with my dad and friends. But warning, flashing lights, very bad blur, and there's gonna be a lot of darkness where you won't be able to see a thing. So there'll be a lot of silent times, and I'm just warning you. It's gonna be fun, closer to the end-ish. Also, you guys are now my biscuits. I'm waiting for my dad since, well, that's his friend Josh's house. That's the guy we're blowing stuff up with. Not really blowing stuff up, just blowing fireworks off. And I don't think I should be posting this, but you know what? Oh yeah. Happy New Year's also, everyone. Love you guys. We didn't hit 100 by 2020, but just trying to hit 100. I've had fun on the channel, okay? Surprisingly, I have had fun. Not doing that much. And, well, I'm going to Alaska tomorrow, so love you guys. And just watch the show. Dad, I'm over here! That's my father. Hello, father. Okay. I said, hello, father. How's it going?
Good.
Ready to blow stuff up?
Always.
You've been warned. Your little house. We're just driving backwards now. This is the new thing called Driving Backwards Simulator. It's a star.
I think when we walked in, I think we caught them doing something that they didn't want us to catch them doing.
Like what? Spooky stuff?
Yeah.
Say hi to the people. They can't even see you.
Hi.
I've warned them.
Are you filming or what are you doing?
Filming.
You're filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I told you it's for YouTube.
Turn it off.